In this video, I'm going to show you how to use QuickBooks Self-Employed. So QuickBooks Self-Employed, or Qbse, is an accounting and financial management tool designed specifically for freelancers, independent contractors, and small business owners who need to track income, expenses, and tax obligations. It offers straightforward tools for managing business finances, tracking mileage, preparing taxes, and invoicing clients, making it ideal for those who want to streamline their accounting processes without the complexity of a full-scale bookkeeping system. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the key features of QuickBooks Self-Employed, exploring its intuitive interface and how it can simplify financial management for freelancers and small business owners. This overview will cover everything from managing income and expenses to filing taxes and staying organized. So now let's get started. So when you just created your account, you will be redirected to this page right here. So from here, simply click on Get Started. So for starters, what's your business called? So just enter your business name. I'm just going to enter mine. So tell us more about your company. So you can choose the industry. So this is just optional. So let's just say here, wholesale trade, business structure. I'm just going to select sole trader, click on next. So what's your role? Select this. How many employees? Say 2 to 5, click on next. So now you nailed the basics. Let's keep going. So you need to pick one and we'll do the rest after that. So you can either link a bank or credit card to start getting organized or personalize your invoices to make a great impression. So let's do this first. Let's add a personal touch to your invoices. So click on Setup Invoices. So now as you can see, you can personalize your invoice template. So you can make it unique. So you can pick a color theme. So we have this blue theme. You can also select other ones. Right here, you can simply select a color from the palette. So let's say I'm going to select this a gray one. Can also upload our logo. So this is just optional. So let's just skip that part. Now let's click on next. Now preview what your customer will see. So as you can see, this is what they will see. So if you want to see the preview, you can send this to the Gmail account associated with your account. So let's just skip that again and click on next. Now let's link your bank account to get organized, but we can skip this for now. So click on skip. Now snap and save receipts from anywhere. Again, let's just skip. Now what you want to do in QuickBooks. So we can select send track invoices. So we can select all of this to make sure that we are organized. So click on next. And now QuickBooks will set up everything for you. Now click on let's go. And as you can see, we are now redirected to our dashboard. So this is how the home page of QuickBooks will look like. So in our dashboard, we will see all of this performance and metrics right here. So as you can see, this is how organized QuickBooks is. So we can also customize our dashboard. As you can see, we can move this right here, move it right here, click on save. Now from here in the first table, we can see the setup checklist. So to get more personalized, you need to fill up all of this information right here, such as add more business info, get ready to invoice, organize expenses, and get the free mobile app. So when you scroll down, you will also see shortcuts and tasks, your sales, your accounts receivable, your accounts payable, And now let's move to cash flow. You can also see cash flow right here. And now let's move on to the next feature, which is the transactions. So from transactions, we will see all of our bank transactions. So we can't see it right now because we haven't connected any bank or credit card right here. Next is we have the reconcile feature, the rules, chart of accounts, and your recurring transactions. Next is we have the sales. So from here, you will see all of your sales transactions. So you can view your transaction details, you can access quick links, you can edit your table settings, you can edit your transaction info, and the feedback. So from here, you will see all of your sales. You can go through your invoices right here. So we already have a sample invoice right here. So when you click it, as you can see, this is the invoice. Also see the our customers right here. Also have the sample customer. So this is the sample customers info. So to add a new customer, just click here on new customer and fill up all of the details right here. And of course, you can also import customers. So if you have bulk customers, you have a bunch of different customers, you can always upload an Excel or CSV file right here to automatically import them to your QuickBooks dashboard. Next is products and services. You'll see it all right here. Next is expenses. Of course, you'll see the basic info of your expenses and your suppliers. So as you can see, if you want to add suppliers, you can add suppliers manually or simply import. Next is customers and leads. So again, from here, you can add your customers. You also have your marketing right here. So what's good about this is that QuickBooks is integrated with MailChimp. So from here, you can connect to MailChimp for free and customize your marketing. Next is reports. There are a bunch of different reports right here. As you can see, there are these balance sheet comparison. There are a bunch of different reports that you can explore from here. Next is employees. So from here, you can add your employee. Just click on add and fill up all of this information. Next is taxes. So as you can see right here, you can simply smarter tax filing. So how does this work? You just need to enter your business address, then add who to pay and when, see exactly what you need to collect right on the invoice, and use one-click e-filing to quickly send your tax return. Next is my accountant. So an accountant can be your best business partner. So of course, you can simply type in their email right here and click on invite. And the last feature is the apps. So from here, there are a bunch of different apps associated with QuickBooks. So if you need all of these apps, such as the Cashflow Frog, the Method CRM, if you need those, of course, you can just simply connect them to your QuickBooks account. So that's basically how you can use QuickBooks and all of the overview of its features. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.